It is not the result of global warming or the complexity of your heated seats, but rather a calculated betrayal by brands you have been conditioned to trust. We are living in an era where the cheapest option on the shelf is a financial trap designed to spring shut just as the warranty expires. The industry has masterfully rebranded planned obsolescence as a budget-friendly convenience for the unsuspecting consumer. If you believe that a battery is just a lead box with a handle, you are the ideal victim for the corporate machine that thrives on repeat business. In 2026, the landscape of automotive power has shifted from a service-based industry to a high-volume retail circus. Mechanics, those silent observers of the automotive graveyard, already know which labels are destined for the scrap heap within 18 months. Yet, the retail giants continue to push these ticking time bombs because they are built for the shelf, not for the street. To survive this market, you must stop looking at the price tag and start looking at the chemistry, the internal architecture, and the raw engineering. Let us pull back the curtain on the first offender in the Hall of Shame, a brand known as Econocraft. This battery is marketed as the ultimate budget savior for the driver who just needs to get back on the road today. In reality, it is a masterclass in how to build a product that barely qualifies as functional. Independent testing consistently places this unit at the bottom of the barrel for reserve capacity, meaning it has almost no stamina. The manufacturer is so confident in this design that they offer a 3-month warranty, which is essentially a formal apology in advance. It is built using the most basic flooded lead-acid technology, with plates so thin they practically dissolve under the stress of a modern alternator. Buying an Econocraft is not a saving. It is a high-interest loan that you will pay back in towing fees and missed appointments. It exists solely to meet a price point, proving that when a company aims for the bottom, they rarely miss their mark. Moving up the ladder of mediocrity, we encounter the EverStart Value series, a staple of big-box retail across the United States. It is perhaps the most widely purchased battery in the country, riding on the back of convenience and sheer availability. However, the sheer volume of these units moving through the market masks a disturbing trend of premature failure. Real-world data suggests that these batteries often lose their ability to hold a charge well before their second birthday. The corporate strategy here is brilliant and predatory, utilizing the ease of store returns to pacify disgruntled customers. When your battery dies in 15 months, the store simply hands you another one, and you walk away thinking you got a great deal. You fail to realize that you are now part of a cycle of waste, relying on a product that was never intended to last. The low reserve capacity means that if you leave a dome light on for 20 minutes, you might as well be trying to start your car with a battery. Then we must address the tragic fall of a former giant, the brand known as Optima. There was a time when an Optima battery was the undisputed king of the mountain, a legendary piece of gear built in Colorado. Those original spiral cell units were known to last a decade or more, surviving abuse that would kill a standard battery in a week. They were the gold standard for enthusiasts and professional racers who demanded absolute reliability. But the story changed after a corporate acquisition and the subsequent relocation of production facilities. Engineering priorities shifted from building the best possible product to maximizing the profit margin of a famous name. Modern Optima batteries still carry that iconic look, but many veteran mechanics will tell you the soul of the product has been hollowed out. The lifespan of the current models often pales in comparison to the legends that built the brand's original reputation. Now that we have surveyed the graveyard of budget failures and fallen icons, we must look toward the few who still prioritize engineering over quarterly earnings. At the top of this list stands Odyssey, a brand that treats battery manufacturing like a military operation. These units utilize thin-plate pure lead technology, which is a significant leap forward from the recycled lead found in cheaper alternatives. This allows for a much higher energy density, meaning more power is packed into the same physical footprint. An Odyssey battery is designed to take a beating, with a resistance to vibration and deep discharge damage that makes standard batteries look like toys. They are the preferred choice for emergency vehicles and heavy-duty industrial fleets, where a failure is not just an inconvenience, but a catastrophe. While the initial cost might make you flinch, the long-term value is undeniable when you consider it can outlast 3 or 4 budget units. This is the choice for the person who wants to install a battery once and then forget it exists for the next 6 or 7 years. If you prefer the convenience of a retail store but still demand high-end performance, the Die-Hard Platinum AGM is a formidable contender. It is built on a platform designed to handle the massive electrical loads of modern vehicles, including those pesky start-stop systems. This battery offers a high cold cranking rating and a reserve capacity that provides a genuine safety net during the winter months. It represents a rare middle ground where retail accessibility meets professional-grade durability. The warranty on a Die-Hard Platinum is one of the longest in the retail space, signaling a level of manufacturer confidence that Econocraft can only dream of. It is engineered to support the myriad of electronic accessories that modern drivers consider essential, from GPS systems to high-end audio. This is not just a lead box. It is a sophisticated energy storage device built for the demands of 2026. It proves that you can still find quality in a local shop if you know exactly what specifications to demand. For those who listen to the wisdom of the garage, Interstate batteries remains a consistent favorite among professional installers. Their reputation is not built on flashy Super Bowl commercials, but on decades of reliable service in the most grueling environments. Interstate focuses on the internal components that actually matter, such as specialized separators and heat-resistant chemistry. These features help the battery maintain its capacity even after repeated charging cycles in extreme temperatures. Mechanics recommend Interstate because they do not want to see you back in their shop 3 months later with a dead unit. The brand has built an ecosystem of trust by providing a product that performs exactly as advertised day after day. It is the workhorse of the industry, a reliable partner for the driver who values consistency over low-budget gimmicks. When a professional who sees thousands of cars a year tells you what they put in their own vehicle, you should probably listen. If you happen to drive a vehicle produced by General Motors, the AC Delco Professional AGM is the only logical choice for your engine bay. Modern cars are no longer just mechanical devices. They are rolling computers with complex battery management software. This software is tuned to a very specific electrical profile, and using a generic battery can confuse the onboard systems. By choosing the OEM spec AC Delco, you ensure that your car's charging system and the battery are speaking the same language. This precision engineering prevents the premature wear that occurs when a vehicle's alternator overcharges or undercharges a mismatched battery. It is a specialized solution for a specialized machine, designed to fit the exact physical and electrical requirements of your car. While it may lack the universal marketing of other brands, its performance in its intended environment is nearly impossible to beat. It is the difference between wearing a custom-tailored suit and something you found in a bargain bin. For the drivers of European luxury and performance vehicles, the Bosch S6 AGM is often the gold standard. European cars are notorious for their high electrical demands and the extreme heat generated in their compact engine compartments. The S6 is engineered to thrive in these conditions, providing the rapid recharge rates required for frequent start-stop operations. It is a high-performance component designed for high-performance machines that cannot afford a lapse in voltage. However, a word of caution is necessary when navigating the Bosch product line at your local auto parts store. The brand also produces lower-tier models that look remarkably similar to the S6, but lack its advanced internal architecture. You must be diligent and ensure you are getting the true AGM design rather than a simplified version masquerading under the same logo. In the world of European engineering, the details are not just important. They are the difference between a smooth ride and a dashboard full of warning lights. Finally, we must look toward the horizon of battery technology, where Dakota Lithium is beginning to change the conversation entirely. These are not your grandfather's lead-acid batteries. They are lithium iron phosphate powerhouses capable of thousands of charge cycles. While a traditional battery might give you 3 to 5 years of service, a lithium unit could theoretically last the entire life of your vehicle. They are incredibly light, hold their charge for months of inactivity, and recharge at speeds that lead-acid chemistry cannot match. The initial price of a Dakota Lithium is undoubtedly steep, representing a significant upfront investment in your vehicle's future. But for the driver who plans to keep their car for a decade, or the enthusiast with a high-draw electrical system, the math eventually swings in your favor. It is a leap into the future of automotive power, moving away from heavy, toxic metals toward a cleaner and more efficient storage solution. This is the ultimate survival choice for those who are tired of the lead-acid replacement cycle. To protect your wallet and your sanity, There are 3 critical checks you must perform before any battery leaves the store. First, find the manufacturing date sticker and ensure the unit has not been sitting on the shelf for more than 6 months. A battery begins to degrade the moment it is filled at the factory, and a new battery that has sat for a year is already halfway to the graveyard. If the salesperson cannot show you the date code, walk away and find a store that values transparency. Second, you must verify that you are buying the correct type of battery for your specific vehicle as technology. If your car has a start-stop system, you absolutely must use an AGM battery, or you will be back in the store within a year. A standard flooded battery cannot handle the rapid-fire discharge and recharge cycles that these modern engines require. Never let a retail clerk convince you that a cheaper flooded battery is just as good for a car designed for an AGM unit. Third, look beyond the sticker price and focus on the cold cranking amps and the reserve capacity ratings. The cold cranking rating is your battery's ability to punch through a frozen morning, while the reserve capacity is its ability to keep the lights on when the engine is off. You want a rating that meets or exceeds your vehicle's original specifications, especially if you live in a climate with extreme temperatures. These numbers are the true measure of a battery's capability, far more than the brand name or the color of the plastic case. In the end, the battery market is a 2-tier system designed to reward the informed and punish the impulsive. There are products engineered to endure, and there are products designed to satisfy a spreadsheet in a corporate boardroom. By choosing to invest in quality chemistry and proven engineering, you are opting out of a cycle of failure and frustration. You are reclaiming your role as a savvy consumer in a market that often treats you like an ATM. I hope this deep dive into the hidden world of automotive power helps you make a choice that keeps you on the road and keeps your money in your pocket. Knowledge is the only tool that can truly defeat planned obsolescence and corporate greed. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay ahead of the curve in this ever-changing industrial landscape. Your support allows us to keep digging for the truth and exposing the tactics that cost you time and money.